Addition of integers with different signs. When two integers with different signs are added, the absolute values of the integers are simply subtracted, and the sum contains the sign of the integer with greater absolute value. So for example, we have here negative 7 plus 5. So simply subtract the absolute value. So 7 minus 5 is 2. And then the integer with greater absolute value is the negative 7. So, copy the sign so it's negative. So, the answer is negative 2. Another example is 20 plus negative 10. So, again, simply subtract the absolute value. So, 20 minus 10 is 10. The integer with greater absolute value is positive 20. So, copy positive. So, it's positive 10. Subtraction of integers. Rule. Change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. So, for example, we have here 7 minus positive 5. So, this is our minuend and this is our subtrahend. Copy the minuend, 7, and then proceed to addition. Plus, change the sign of the subtrahend, so positive 5 will become negative 5. Therefore, they have different signs, so you need to subtract the absolute values. So, 7 minus 5 is 2. And get the sign of the bigger number, which is positive 7. So, the answer is positive 2. Next. So, negative 9 minus positive 6. So, we have here negative 9, copy the minuend, plus positive 6 will become negative 6. So, they are both signs. So, just add the absolute numbers, which is 15, and then copy the common signs. 10 minus multiplying integers. When we multiply two integers with like signs, always take the positive signs. For example, positive 2 times 5, they have the same positive sign, so multiply their absolute values. 2 times 5 is 10, and then take the positive signs. Another one is negative 4 times negative 2. Multiply their absolute values. 4 times 2 is 8. And then they have the same signs, so use the positive signs. When we multiply unlike signs, multiply their absolute values and always take the negative signs. For example, 10 times negative 5. So, multiply their absolute values. 10 times 5 is 50, and then take the negative signs because they are unlike signs. Thank you for watching. Dividing integers. When dividing integers with the same signs, affix the sign of positive. For example, 40 divided by 10. So, they both have positive signs, so use the affix positive signs and then find their absolute value. 40 divided by 10 is 4. So, the answer is positive 4. Another one is negative 8 divided by negative 2. So, they have the same negative signs, so use the affix positive sign and then divide their absolute values. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, the answer is positive 4. When dividing integers with unlike signs, affix the sign negative. So, for example, negative 30 divided by 5. So, they have different signs, so use the negative signs and then find their absolute values. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So the answer is negative 6. Thanks for watching.